In this video, I will show you how you can use the Magic Eraser tool on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. So let's get started. First of all, just open the Photos app, and from here just select a photo from which you want to delete an object. For an example, I will select this photo. Now to use the Magic Eraser tool, just tap on Edit, and over here just select the Eraser option. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here just mark over the object or circle over the object which you want to remove from your photo. For example, I will mark over this object on the photo. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the selected object from our photo. As you can see, this is a before and after of the photo. And once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can use the Magic Eraser tool on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.